I need tissue paper. And our plan was कि 1 घंटे में सब शॉपिंग खत्म करेंगे.
अगर ये लटका हुआ प्राइस टैग नहीं होता तो मैं कब का खरीद लेती. We didn't anticipate this. Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. So finally we are going to IKEA Navi Mumbai and this visit has been pending from a very long time and finally हम जा पा रहे हैं. So basically अच्छा हुआ कि हम पहले जा नहीं पाए because we would have just gone like that, you know, window shopping and stuff. But right now we have a very clear agenda of what we actually want to buy. One of the room in our house we are converting that into studio cum ऑफिस. सो बेसिकली जहाँ पे मैं ऑलरेडी वीडियोस सिट डाउन वीडियोस शूट करती हूँ वहीं पे आई एम जस्ट रेनोवेटिंग द होल प्लेस बिकॉज द प्लेस इज़ इन अ मेस. द रूम इज़ इन अ मेस राइट नाउ. सो we are just kind of like renovating the whole room and also साहिल का work from home तो काफ़ी चलने वाला है. I just hope कि IKEA में वो सब मिल जाए जो जो हमें चाहिए. We have like written down everything that we actually need and I hope सब कुछ मिल जाए within budget of course. I will take you guys along. And right now due to restrictions, of course वापस से restrictions लग गया है. So there are restrictions on non-essential services. So the timing is actually 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. as of now. So that's the reason we are leaving very early. It's not just me and Sahil who are going. Mom and dad भी आ रहे हैं because they want to pick up few things for themselves as well. So I just hope कि we can reach there early and since it's a working day today, I hope कि ज़्यादा भीड़ ना हो. I just hope कि comfortably shopping हो जाए. Of course again within budget. Also जाके वापस आने के बाद I will of course get a fair idea of the things that you need to keep in mind if you guys are planning to visit IKEA. So I will give you guys a fair idea of the things that you must do or not do. So make sure that you stay till the end of the video. That's when I will be giving you the whole brief. So अभी चलते हैं and I just hope everything goes well. Just arrived and before any shopping we are going to have some breakfast because बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है but we still don't want to stuff ourselves. The breakfast here looks yummy. I just hope it tastes yummy too. It's pretty huge और काफ़ी भरा हुआ है. I thought it's going to be खाली but काफ़ी बड़ा है so it's not looking too crowded. You're able to keep distance and आज हम शायद से पागल होने वाले हैं.
बेड मेरे और अनु के लिए. And we get an Apple laptop, MacBook. I think it's a lemon.
Lemon MacBook. मुझे ऐसा वाला एक चाहिए स्टूडियो के लिए. ऊफी टाइप. saying कि एक सेक्शन में पूरा ऐसा प्लांट्स रखा है.
There is also, if you can see that money plant kind of a thing, you can take that. If you're sitting in this wall, this becomes your background.
So यहाँ पे सारे plants ऐसे रखो.
So you can just keep plants, money plant, something, candles, blah blah blah. Just fill it. This looks nice. Oh shit! I need tissue paper.
You know, I would love to have a living room like this. It's so beautiful. Such a rustic feel, ना? यहाँ पे पूरा लाइब्रेरी बना सकते हैं. This actually looks like Pinterest से कोई फोटो उठाया गया वैसा लग रहा है. बहुत ही सही लग रहा है. I mean, look at this lampshade पीछे. I just loved it. अगर ये लटका हुआ प्राइस टैग नहीं होता तो मैं कब का खरीद लेती. Sir, will you fit into this chair? Just don't break it. You'll have to pay for it now. It's so छोटा.
I think my hand can sit on this.
On the top floor, they have just showcasing. It's a display of how things are going to look. So if you like anything from this, there will be a tag here mentioning where it is available, the location. You have to go down and purchase it. By the way, dad and mom तो मिल नहीं रहे हैं. वो लोग तो shopping करके करके आगे चले गए. And this place is so huge कि it's very easy to get lost. Finally got you guys. Got the measurement tape.
Thousand years later.
I think we have spent almost an hour just office desk and chairs के उधर, and still so much of confusion.
Still we are not done.
Still we are not done. I don't know हम नीचे जाके क्या खरीदेंगे पता नहीं.
And our plan was कि 1 घंटे में सब shopping खत्म करेंगे.
But at least जो हमें चाहिए था वो मिल चुका है. So really glad about that. And now we just have to like place order for the chairs and the table over here, and then we'll go head down. Okay, finally we got to know that जिस chair पे हमने इतना time spend किया था that is out of stock, and we were to order 2 of these chairs and 1 of this chair. So this chair is available. This is out of stock. So अभी number देख के रखा है, and whenever it's available we'll order online. But it's just so much of time wasted. This chair was for Sahil. अभी हम लोग नीचे के सेक्शन में आए हैं and it's quite huge again. So everything is in like different corners. तो अभी जिस सेक्शन में हूँ that is all about like storage and stuff, boxes and stuff like that. We didn't anticipate this to be so big.
क्या सोच के आया था शॉपिंग करेंगे,
मजदूरी कर रहे हैं.
मजदूरी कर दी है, वो भी बिना पैसे के. मैं पैसा देने वाला हूँ.
know if you can see from my face, but मैं बहुत ज़्यादा tired हूँ. And अभी यहाँ पे आके we have just dumped everything घर पे. We have not kept things in its place. We are just extremely tired. देख लेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे. Also, we got a lot of furnitures as well. जो tables वगैरह लेना था, तो वो सब do it yourself है, या फिर you can get urban company से people to assemble them, but we are probably going to attempt doing it ourselves. तो उसके लिए हम लोग tool kit भी लाए हैं वहाँ से. All that tomorrow, nothing today, no energy at all. Also, couple of things which I feel is necessary if you guys are going to IKEA is, one is of course keep ample time with you. I mean, we almost did 6 hours ka shopping, like 6 hours ka shopping. And it's not just 6 hours ka shopping, but the kind of shopping is like really hectic. So make sure that you have a lot of time. Do not keep anything else on that day, because trust me, you'll be drained out of energy. And make sure that when you are going there, you are full on energetic, so that you can shop, you can walk around. The second thing is, as I said, you have to walk a lot, so wear something very comfortable. So मैंने dress भी काफ़ी comfortably पहना था, and I wore my sports shoe so that I can walk how much ever is needed. Make sure that your footwear gives the least amount of inconvenience, and also the clothes that you wear, अगर थोड़ा सा loose clothes पहन सकते हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा, because you are going to end up feeling tired. So if you're wearing something tight, I mean, I don't know, your call, but I just wore something very loose and very comfortable, because you are not going to come out before 5 or 6 hours. I promise you, IKEA में जाओगे तो घूम जाओगे. The third thing is, when you are going there, make sure that you have a very clear idea of what is it that you really want to buy. Good that we did not go the first time that we actually wanted to go. वो time पे lockdown लग गया था, but that time we did not really have an idea of what we wanted to buy, but we just wanted to go and explore. Good कि हम इस बार गए, but इस बार because we had a very clear idea कि हमें ये चीज़ लेना है, and we had written down the things, the measurements, everything. We were very clear, but still हमें इतना सारा time लग गया, because there are so many nice cute things over there and you just kind of get lost. So अगर proper list बना के नहीं गए होते तो probably we would have just ended up having nothing in our hands. The fourth thing that I wanted to say is, try to go as soon as it opens up. So right now the store timings are 7 to 3, and we went at 9 o'clock in the morning. We reached there at 9, and बहुत कम लोग थे वो time पे, so we could like have a breakfast and start the shopping. By around 11ish, a lot of people started pouring in. जिस दिन you're planning to visit IKEA, make sure that you check their website, because the timings are changing like probably every week because of the changing rules and the restrictions. So make sure that you check their website to see what the timings are, if possible on the same day, and try and go like in the initial 2 hours, so that you get a good enough time to shop well before the crowd starts pouring in. And the last thing that I want to say is that you need to be a quick shopper. That is something which probably like we didn't know. You need to be really quick in making decisions. So basically how it is, ऊपर के floor में they have kept everything on display, and you can go see, choose, and they also have like कि कौन सा चीज़ कौन से location में रखा है in their store. Their store is below, where you can go and purchase those things. So try not to spend too much time ऊपर, because first जब ऊपर जाओगे तो it's really so beautiful कि you just like get lost in it, and you are like looking at each and everything. I mean, things which we probably don't even need. You just tend to get lost in the whole thing. So make sure that you cut down on faltu time, and you just do your shopping and go below floor mein, because the real game is actually below ke floor mein. Since we had taken the picture of their tag to see where the location is and everything, so we have the exact number. So those things which are not really in stock, we are going to place an order online, of course. We sure had a lot of fun. It is tiring, of course it is tiring, but I think it was really worth it. It was a whole day picnic, that's what it felt like. And yeah, it's shopping at the end of the day. It can't be bad, right? If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure that you hit the like button, and please make sure that you subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Until we meet again next time, stay tuned. Bye.